In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to crush productivity, 5 minutes. Let's set up a simple, powerful workflow you can use for any project, solo or with a team. Start by signing up or logging into Trello. Once you're in, create a new board. Think of a board as the home base for a project or area of work. Give your board a clear, specific title that matches the project, something like marketing launch, client onboarding, or home renovation, so everyone instantly understands what lives there. Next, set up lists to represent the stages of your workflow. These are your columns. A tried and true setup is to do, doing, and done. Keep it simple to start. You can always expand. If you have lots of ideas or parked work, add lists like ideas, on hold, or backlog. The goal is to make progress visible and keep priorities obvious. Now add cards. Each card is a single task or deliverable, the digital version of a sticky note. Create one card per task so you can move it independently through the workflow. Click into a card to add helpful details, a short description, a checklist for subtasks, a due date, and any attachments like files or links. This keeps context in one place and reduces back and forth. Use color-coded labels to categorize tasks by priority, phase, or department. For example, red for urgent, yellow for medium priority, or colors for different teams. Make a simple labeling convention and stick to it so everyone reads the board the same way. If you're collaborating, invite teammates to the board or add them to specific cards using the members option. Inside a card's description or checklist, type the @ symbol followed by their name to notify them. This keeps communication tied to the work, not buried in emails. As work progresses, drag cards from one list to another. This visual movement is the magic of Trello. You can see status at a glance and spot bottlenecks quickly. When a task is finished, move the card to the done list or archive it. Archiving removes clutter while preserving a record you can search later. Add a little motivation by using stickers on cards to celebrate wins or highlight important items. And to supercharge your setup, integrate tools you already use. Connect Google Drive to attach files directly and enable the calendar power-up to see all due dates in a calendar view. It's great for planning the week and staying ahead of deadlines. That's it, your streamlined Trello system for crushing productivity. Build it once, maintain it daily, and watch your projects move.